Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the exact spot and getting the sticker into position. Clean thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol so adhesives bond. Avoid wax. Measure and mark reference points using small pieces of tape or a ruler to keep alignment consistent. Once marked, peel back about 1-2 inches of backing and create a hinge with tape at the top or side. This gives you control. You can realign without exposing the whole adhesive, and it prevents crooked starts. Once your hinge is set, lower the sticker slowly from that anchored edge. You should press down the center toward the edge as you go to avoid trapping air. Use a hard squeegee or a credit card wrapped in cloth and push in steady 45-degree strokes. This moves adhesive outward and reduces bubbles. If the material is vinyl, apply gentle heat with a heat gun at a safe distance or hair dryer to make it pliable. Heat helps conform to curves, but be careful not to damage paint. Finish by peeling the transfer film slowly at about 180 degrees while holding the sticker down with your other hand. This prevents lifting. After fully applied, press all edges and any minor lifts with a squeegee. Allow the adhesive to cure for 24 to 48 hours before washing the car or driving at high speeds so the bond sets. If a stubborn bubble appears later, pierce it with a fine pin, press the air out, and smooth. This preserves the sticker without reapplying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.